I'm Jasmine and I'm going to show you how to grow and maintain a devil's ivy. This beautiful trailing plant with stunning leaves is perfect for an indoor plant. To maintain your devil's ivy, you need a spray bottle of water, a glass of water, secateurs and plant clips. The devil's ivy looks gorgeous when the leaves are cascading down in a hanging pot or when they're climbing up a totem pole. You can get these clips at Bunnings. They're really good. All you need to do is wrap the vine around and clip them on. This vine is a bit too long for the pole, so I'm going to trim it down. When trimming the devil's ivy, make sure you cut just below the node here. And when you place it in a glass of water, you can propagate to make your own plants. You can leave them in the glass of water and continue to grow roots, or plant them in pots around your house. Devil's ivy doesn't like to have soggy roots. Use a light, well-drained, aerated soil for your devil's ivy. You should water your devil's ivy about once a week, but if you forget, don't worry about it because they'll still survive. Ideally, the soil should be moist and the surface should be dry in between watering. Find a bright spot with indirect sun so the devil's ivy can stay bright and green. In the warmer seasons, the devil's ivy is in its peak growth stage, so make sure you give it some food to grow. Give it a feed with some liquid fertilizer around once or twice a month. During the winter, there's no need to feed your devil's ivy. Devil's ivy does grow in the tropics, so in the cooler months, just give it a spray with some lukewarm water. Make sure you're careful when you add the devil's ivy to your home, as it can be poisonous to cats and dogs. If you've got pets, make sure you place all your devil's ivies in hanging pots or on shelves up high where your animals can't get to. It's a perfect indoor plant for beginners, being able to propagate and maintain easily.